Hello, my dear students. In this session, we are going to discussing about solving NEET 2025 problems. My name is Kaleeswaran, handling NEET JE classes through online mode. Kindly subscribe my channel and support my students. Listen the question one by one. Shall we go to the class? Yes. Here, first the question number 56. If the half-life T half of a first order reaction is given as 1 minute. So, T half value is given as 1 minute for first order reaction. Note, this is the first order reaction, right? Then time required for 99.9% completion of the reaction is closer value. Closer value is asked. Okay. So, here listen my students. For the first order reaction, we know the formula is T half is equal to 0.693 divided by K. K is the first order rate constant equation. So, T half value is given as 1 minute. So, finding the rate constant value for first order reaction 0.693 divided by 1. Okay. So, the value will be same 0.693. Okay. So, kindly subscribe my channel, my dear students. K is equal to 0.693, and also they are asking the same time. What about the time value? What about the time value for 99.9%? In that sense, the first order rate constant equation is closer. 5 T is equal to 2.303 divided by K is equal to log to the base 10 initial concentration minus initial concentration minus the concentration after T. This is the first order rate constant equation. Okay. So, K value, we know that K value is found to be 0.693. Okay. Saringla. A will be the concentration may be chosen as initial value 100. Okay. So, A minus X will be 100. The given value, how much value is given? 99.9% is given. 99.9% is given. It is found to be, the value is found to be 0.1. Okay. So, substitute this value, my dear students. T is equal to 2.303. K value is found to be 0.693 log to the base 10. A value will be 100 divided by 0.1. Okay. So, finding this value, solve this equation. You solve the equation, it will be denoted as 2.303. It is very easy. Okay. It is very easy to solve this equation. Log to the base 10, it can be written as 10 to the power 3. 10 to the power 3. Okay, my dear students. Okay. So, 2.303 divided by 0.693. 3 into 3 into log to the base 10 divided by 10. Okay. So, this is found to be, the value is closer to 9.97 minutes. Okay. So, this is found to be which one? This is found to be which one? Option D. Option 9, which is closer value, option 4. 9.97, which is closer to 10 minutes. Okay. So, option D will be the correct answer. Idu purincha? After the next question, we go to next question. Okay, listen my classes very carefully. It will be attentive, and you can get clarity in my class. Okay, so this one is something different, and it may be confusing. It may be confusing. So, how it is solved as easily? Listen, the correct order of wavelength, lambda value is asked, right? Lambda value asked, absorbed by the following complexes. The correct order, what is the correct order? Less than value is given. Less than is given, that is increasing order. We have to arrange as increasing order. Okay, my dear students. First, you note this value. You note these 2 points. Okay, what are the given complexes? Cobalt, hexamine, cobalt. Okay, so hexacyanide cobalt. Okay, tetra aqua copper complexes, hexa aqua copper complexes is given. Okay. So here when we go to solve this problem, you must know the general detail regarding general concept spectrochemical series, the ligand which are arranged in the order of increasing energy. So the right hand side of the ligand which are present in the right hand side, which is found to be strong field ligand. It is, I have written only what are the three ligands we have. What are the three ligands? NH3 CN is given. Okay, so it is found to be strong field ligand. On the other hand, the ligand which are present in the left hand side, which is denoted as weak field ligand. So H2 is noted as weak field ligand. இது புரியுதுங்களா? ஸோ ரைட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கிறது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங் ஃபீல்டு லிகான், லெஃப்ட் ஹேண்ட் சைடில் இருக்கிறது வீக் ஃபீல்டு லிகான். நம்மளுக்கு கொடுக்கப்பட்ட காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸில் உள்ள 3 லிகாண்டு நான் எழுதியிருக்கேன். ஓகே, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன். Okay, so we know that del E is equal to H nu is equal to C by lambda. So crystal field splitting energy which is inversely proportional to 1 by lambda. So lambda is inversely proportional to strength of the ligand, which is very very important. Note, the lambda value is inversely proportional to strength of the ligand. So strong field ligand, what is the dash value? We may have low lambda value, right? Weak field ligand, we may have high lambda value. Clear, my dear students? Very easy to solve. This is the trick. This is the trick based questions. Only the understanding is strong field ligand may have low lambda value, weak field ligand may have high lambda value. So given complexes, what are the complexes is given? There are two that is ammonia and cyanide. From the above series, the cyanide is present at the extreme end. So it will be, consequently it is a strong field ligand, low lambda value. Cyanide may have low lambda value, right, my dear student? Cyanide may have low lambda value. Okay, ammonia may have high lambda value. So the order is written. Okay, clear? Next one, among two complexes, water and that is copper complexes, aqua, tetra aqua copper complexes, hexa aqua titanium complexes. In that sense, titanium 3+, both are same ligand. You know that H2O is the same ligand. H2O, here also H2O, here also H2O. Both are weak field ligand. So which one may have higher lambda value, which one have lower lambda value? It can be checked by titanium 3+ may have higher charge. Yes, Cu2+ may have lower charge. On the basis of charge comparison, titanium 3+ may have higher charge than Cu2+. So titanium 3+ may have lambda value will be low. Copper complexes may have high lambda value. So on the basis of this discussion, I am arranging this one. Okay, so already ammonium and cyanide ligand I have arranged this one, and in case of titanium and copper aqua complexes I have arranged this one. Okay, so overall order is found to be here. Overall order is given. It is noted as B is less than A, it is less than D, it is less than C. Clear, my dear students? இது புரிஞ்சா உங்களுக்கு? So it is denoted as option 2. Option 2 will be the correct answer. Option 2 will be the correct answer. Got it? Okay, my dear students. Next question, we go to next question. So this is this third question we are going to studying. So listen my classes and kindly support, my dear students. Subscribe and support. Okay, so third question is, which of the following compound can exist as a cis-trans isomer? This is the question. For cis-trans isomerism, we have one trick, that is the basic concept, restricted rotation around CC double bond. Restricted rotation around CC double bond. It is the most basic thing in cis-trans isomerism, and also very very important, my dear students, among, that is around C double bond C, the substituents attached to one carbon, it will be different. It will be different. It is not same. It is not same. It should not be A like that. It should not be A like that. It must be A and B. A and B. The same substituents must be added to another. That is, it is denoted as A. It is denoted as B. So the CA substituents must be added to CB substituents. This is the most important requirement for cis trans isomerism. சரிங்களா? ஓகே, இப்போ ஒவ்வொரு காம்ப்ளெக்ஸஸாக நம்ம எடுத்து பார்க்க போகிறோம். பாருங்க, கொடுக்கப்பட்ட pent 1ene, pent 1ene, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the C double bond C. Yes, my dear student, this one is the C double bond C. Okay, so note here this one is hydrogen substituted added. This is the Ca carbon, Cb carbon. This is the propyl group. So hydrogen and propyl both are different. Okay, but in Cb carbon the same substituents is added, so it is neglected. It does not exhibit. It does not exhibit cis trans. Okay. Okay. Second one, 2-methyl hex 2-ene is given. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So second position methyl group is present. Okay, you note this one as the A and B. Okay, so A, in the Ca carbon you may have two substituents. What is the name of the substituents? This is butyl group and this one is the methyl group. Both substituents are different. Okay, left hand side it is okay, but right hand side the same substituents is added. So the complexes, that is the option 2 is wrong. Okay, third option I am going to switch over to third option. So in all the cases the carbon possessing the same substituents here, this is very easy to identify. Now you can easily identify the carbon attached to same substituents. In this carbon, the carbon here, there is no possibilities here. Okay, there are only one carbon possessing two substituents. It is not taken. Okay, my dear students. Okay, so third option does not exhibit cis trans isomerism. The fourth option here, it is not. Kindly note, my dear students, this is taken as Ca and Cb. In Ca, the hydrogen and the methyl group both are different. The same substituents will be added here. So this can exhibit cis trans isomerism. It can exhibit okay, cis trans isomerism. Why? Because the Ca carbon found to have two different substituents, the same substituents is added here. Okay, so restricted rotation around Cc bond, it can exhibit cis trans isomerism. So option 4 will be the correct answer. Okay, my dear students. The next question, shall we go to next question? நான் நடத்துறது புரியுதா? நல்லா கவனிங்க. சரிங்களா? சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ண மறந்துடாதீங்க. நீங்கள் பண்ணுற சப்ஸ்கிரைப் வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப வேல்யூபிளாக இருக்கும். ஸோ மை நேம் இஸ் Kaleeswaran, handling NEET and JEE classes through online mode. Okay, so this one is the 59th question has been given, phosphoric acid. What is the phosphoric acid formula? H3PO4. Okay, this is the first identification. Okay, ionizers in 3 steps with their ionization constant values given, Ka1, Ka2, Ka3, where Ka is the overall ionization constant. Which of the following statement வந்து ட்ரூன்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம இந்த Ka1 பாஸ்பாரிக் ஆசிட் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இப்போ இந்த பாஸ்பாரிக் ஆசிட்டில் நம்ம 1 by 1 பார்க்கலாம். சரிங்களா? இப்போ அயனைசேஷன் ப்ராசஸ் பார்க்கலாமா? அயனைசேஷன் ப்ராசஸ், ionization of H3PO4. H3PO4 stands for phosphoric acid. So this is H3PO4. There is no charge, so it is found to be neutral. Okay, neutral. It is ionized into H plus. and H2PO4 minus. This is noted as Ka1. Clear? Clear? இது புரிஞ்சா? அடுத்தது போவா? இங்கே பாருங்க. அடுத்தது H2PO4 minus. Now it is charged. Now it is charged. Okay? Again losses one electron, one hydrogen ion. Now it becomes HPO4 2 minus. Okay? The next, this is denoted as Ka2. Clear, my dear students? Then HPO4 2 minus, which again it losses because it possesses only one hydrogen atom. It is going to be lost. Okay, so H plus. Now PO4. Yes, my dear students, PO4 3 minus. Clear? This is denoted as Ka3. Okay, so very important. The overall ionization is the summation of Ka1 plus Ka2 plus Ka3. Okay, it is true. It is true. Is it given as okay? Okay, so logarithmic value, they had taken logarithmic value. So log K, logarithmic factor is taken. Logarithmic factor is taken. Okay, so no trouble. So logarithmic factor is taken. Log value is taken. Okay, so overall value will be the summation of Ka1, Ka2, Ka3. This is true. This is true. Very simple. Note the point, second point, very important. H3PO4 is a stronger acid than H2PO4 and HPO4 2 minus. How it is clear? How it is going to solve? Yes, H3PO4, it is a neutral one. Neutral one. There is no charge. It is easy to remove H plus from H3PO4. Okay. At the same time, when we are considering H2PO4 and HPO4, it is too difficult to remove because it is charged. Because it is charged. It is too difficult to remove H plus from charged compound. Charged compoundல இருந்து ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜனை ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஆனால் நியூட்ரல்ல இருந்து ஹைட்ரஜனை ஈஸியாக ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடலாம். அப்போ இந்த ப்ராசஸ் வந்து ஸோ ஈஸி, இட் இஸ் ஈஸி, இட் இஸ் டூ டிஃபிகல்ட். ஓகே, எது இந்தவும் இதுவும் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஏன்? பிகாஸ் இட் இஸ் சார்ஜ்டு. வி ஹாவ் ஆனையான். திஸ் இஸ் 2 மைனஸ். It is too difficult. So எதில் வந்து ஹைட்ரஜன் எளிமையாக ஈஸியாக நீக்கிறோமோ it will be found to be stronger acid. So the hydrogen ion easily released from neutral one is found to be more stronger acid. So this statement is true. Okay, இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட்டில் நான் சொல்ல வர்றது புரியுதா? நியூட்ரல்ல இருந்து ஈஸியாக H ப்ளஸை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிடலாம். ஆனால் சார்ஜில் இருந்து H ப்ளஸை வந்து ரிமூவ் பண்ணுறது கஷ்டம். அப்போ எது வந்து ஈஸியாக H ப்ளஸ் ரிமூவ் ஆகுதோ அது வந்து ஸ்ட்ராங்கர் ஆசிட். இதான் ட்ரிக்கு. ஓகே, தென் இந்த செகண்ட் பாயிண்ட் இப்போ சொன்ன இந்த பாயிண்ட்டையே Ka1, இப்போ நான் சொன்ன பாயிண்ட்டையே அவங்க Ka1 இஸ் கிரேட்டர் தென் Ka2 இஸ் கிரேட்டர் தென் Ka3ன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. உண்மை தானே? So stronger acid, which one is stronger acid? H3PO4 is a stronger acid. H3PO4 is a stronger acid. Then H2PO4 minus. Then which is greater than HPO4 2 minus. So this one is the stronger acid. இதை தான் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அடுத்தது fourth option பாருங்க. fourth option, summation of any two which is divided by 2 which can give K1. This is absolutely wrong. Okay, this is absolutely wrong. So I am taking which one is going to be corrected. Okay, the option 4 will be the correct answer. இது புரியுதா? Option 4 will be the correct answer. This is the most important question. நான் சொல்கிறதெல்லாம் புரிஞ்சா நல்லா நல்லா கிளாஸஸ் நல்லா அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங் ஆகுதா? ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ மை டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். Next question. This is the final question. In this class, this one is the final question. Okay. Listen carefully. So this is very simple. This is very simple, my dear students. ஓகே, which of the following reaction does not give us a benzene product? இந்த கேள்வியை நீட் 2025ல கேட்டிருக்காங்க. நம்ம என்சிஆர்டியில் ஹைட்ரோகார்பன் யூனிட் இஸ் present there. It is the NCERT book 11th standard. ஓகே, வால்யூம் 2. திஸ் இஸ் வால்யூம் 2ல இந்த ப்ராப்ளம், இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் வந்து பேஜ் நம்பர் 321ல் இருக்குது. பேஜ் நம்பர் 321ல் இருக்குது. உங்களுக்கு சோடா லைம்னா இந்த கிளாஸில் நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், NaOHம் கால்சியம் ஆக்சைடு. கால்சியம் ஆக்சைடுக்கு இன்னொரு பேர் என்னென்னா குயிக் லைம். CaO stands for குயிக் லைம். ஓகே, CaOவும் NaOH சேர்ந்து அதுக்கு பேர் என்னது? சோடா லைம். இதை நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும், சோடா லைம். இதை போட்டோம்னா எனக்கு பென்சின் தான் கிடைக்கும். வாட் இஸ் தி ரெஃபரன்ஸ் பேஜ் நம்பர் 321 பாருங்கள். இதே மாதிரி N-hexane can give page number 304. It may also give benzene as the one of the product. Similarly, this is ethane, red hot tube, iron tube. The page number 318 we may have benzene as the product. Okay, but at the same time this one is called as BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, which is treated with warm water. I may get the product as phenol. This benzene diazonium chloride is highly unstable. It is simply shaking with water, you may get phenol. So what is the question they ask? Which one of the following reaction does not give benzene as the product? Appo fourth option 4 will be the correct answer. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ நான் நடத்தினது கிளாஸஸ் உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். I think you may get a better understanding, better clarity in my classes. என்னுடைய கிளாஸஸ் புரிஞ்சுன்னா you just connect me through WhatsApp number, this one is, and subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you very much, my dear students. Bye.